model unit ng Serene, 1 bedroom. So, ito yung 1 bedroom. So, Serene po is located dito sa Tagaytay. So, few minutes away dun sa Balayda ko and yung sa Hiraya, which is yung Starbucks na sobrang famous. So, yan po. The kitchen, the salas, and the 1 bedroom. So, feel free to message po if you have questions. Hi.
Dito talaga nag-reserve. Pinasukan namin para